Okay, so this is a package I got. It's 3 flashlights from Godox, whatevs, and it's the SK400 2. Now, I got it from Wex. They were the best deal around, but for some reason they call it the D. Well, everyone else calls it the V. I'm not quite sure why. So it's just turned up from DPD. I have to say it's a lot heavier than I expected. Let's just get this all this out. So there's me wrestling with it. Boom. Whew. So there you go. So this hopefully got the dogs here with me. Yeah, Harry Rips, we want to be in this little video, do you? So this is to go with now. So this is to go with my Hasselblad X2D Mark II, and hopefully they use Nikon flashes, but which Godox apparently are compatible with if you buy the Nikon type. So this is the X3 Nano that I've got on top. Lovely little unit. Switch that on. There we go, and hopefully that's going to be compatible with what's in here. So keep that running, snoofers, and we'll have, let's have a little open up. I'm glad it's got a bag because it is bloody heavy. But this is studio lighting, so really you shouldn't be carrying around, but it's handy to keep it. Rippy, Rips, you don't have to kiss me, man. And we don't want your bumhole in it either. So, right, okay, so because it comes in the carrier, I thought maybe some of the weight might be boxing, but no. That's one of the lamps, and that is quite heavy, as I say. There is some things, whatever they are, and we've got another lamp, and here are some of the cones that go on it. But I wanted to say something. When you put the umbrella on it, I don't know, Ruthie, can you see that little sulcus there? See that? Come close. Yeah. See that? What you do is you push it out like this. You get rid of it, and now you have a hole to put the umbrella through. That should be somewhere. It'll be in that one there, won't it? It's anything that's the right size. So you have the umbrella feed through that, going on to the lamp. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Got some instructions. Let's have a little quick look in here. Okay, so that is a normal bulb. I'm not quite sure why that is. Yeah, oh well, we will discover it shortly. Losing the ability to speak. My face isn't dropped to one side, is it? Shouldn't joke about that. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. I'll get it all rigged up.